poppin' YouTube? Of course, it's your boy Q the Flu. And yo, we back with another special video for y'all today, man. Happy holidays. You know what I'm saying? You know, tis the season. Tis the season. Yo, but of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and holler at your boy in the comments. You already know I do talk back. Without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, so today, man, we got, like I said, we got something dope for y'all, man. We gonna bless the channel, you know, with my first, you know, or probably my first, I don't know, clothing haul, man. Your boy been picking up quite a few items, you know, over the last couple of weeks, man. We done had a lot of drops, you know, and I wanted to go ahead and, you know, do something different, man. Switch it up. Of course, you know, I couldn't get outside of this week without leaving y'all with a dope video, man. Got a bunch of pieces, fear God, you know what I'm saying? Some kicks, you know what I'm saying? You know, a lot of stuff, baby. A lot of stuff, man. And so we gonna go ahead and get into it piece by piece, you know what I'm saying? And that's what it is. Let's go. First piece, you know, over last week, you know, Nike, Jerry Lorenzo, they dropped the follow-up clothing collection to, I think it might have been 2 years now. You know, that first Air Fear God 1 collection. If you've been following my channel, you know I rock with the Air Fear Gods heavy. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's my favorite shoe of all of last year. You know what I'm saying? Never got a chance to get any of the clothes because, you know, the prices was out of here. And then on the resale market, them shits is super out of here. You know, but we got blessed with another opportunity, and this time around, I had to have these pants, man. The warm-ups, the nylon joints, man. Yo, black. I know a lot of people were hoping for the, you know, the sweatpants material, but Jerry came through with the nylon joints, and I will say, yo, the quality on these things are A1, man. These things off the bat, super, super heavy, man. The materials are super, super heavy. You can kind of hear that weight, you know, even as I play with it, you know, like that. All the same details off the first pants with the swoosh on the back, the Air Fear God hit right there on the front of the pants, and then the super elongated, you know, drawstrings. NBA hits, button, you know, kind of zippered, you know, kind of pockets on the sides of these things right here, like so. And then, of course, the snap, you know, kind of construction going down both legs with that Air Fear God like strap at the pants. One of the things that they did switch up though with this particular pair is because, you know, it gets cold out here in these streets. They did put that zipper in there, man, for people to kind of just easily, you know, kind of unzip and zip these things to, you know, that's the liking. You know, really, I'm thinking for warmth, man. You see that mesh material just kind of lining these pants, man. But as you can see, these joints look super fire on feet. I mean, you know, they look just super fire on, man. You see how I'm rocking them, man. Feels super cozy, super comfortable. And definitely, I mean, the quality there, definitely worth the money. Next piece. It's a sense, man. We had the exclusive, you know, Essentials, Fear God Essentials drop. You know what I'm saying? I was able to get a few pieces, man. This is the navy, you know, kind of sweatshirt, you know, kind of sweater, you know, knit sweater that they kind of dropped, man. You see that Essentials going on, you know, across the chest in that black, man. Really simple shirt. You can see how I'm rocking that to the side, man. Definitely perfect for layers. And, you know, no threading, man. Definitely, you know, for this to be, you know, a kind of cheap buy. I think this retailed at about, like, at least for me, because the essence is the truth, you know, 95 bucks, man. And so these are super, super hard to find online, but if you can find them joints, definitely worth it. I wish I would have got the brown. I kind of, you know, tweaked on that. Wasn't sure. It's my first time having this particular sweater, but, you know, when they do those restocks, this is definitely a piece to have in the collection, man. Next, you know, I was able to kind of cop from, you know, the Essence, you know, Fear God Essentials drop with that brown colorway. You see I got the T here, you know what I'm saying? Definitely big fall, big Thanksgiving vibes. You know, I might actually even wear this on Thanksgiving. Got the T, quick 50 bucks, really dope. You know, brown is a colorway that is really gaining a lot of popularity, especially for this fall season, man. Shout out to Travis Scott. He got everybody wearing brown now, you know, but, you know, very neutral color palette that you can pair with a lot of different things, and you're not gonna be all the way out of pocket, you know what I'm saying, in terms of the colorway. I was able to snag the sweats as well, you know what I'm saying. You can kind of see that brown essentials, you know, kind of, you know, logo right there, elongated, you know, drawstrings as they become famous for. And then you got that black 3M hit, the Essentials Fear of God going right there, man. Really cozy, man. Dope sweats, man. If you ain't got a pair of Fear of God sweats, especially Essentials line, definitely do that. The best part about these is that, you know, you can wear them with any brand, whether you favor Nike, Adidas, Reebok, whoever. These sweats, because they ain't really associated with any of those brands, you can wear them across any of those brands and you're gonna get a fit off and they're gonna be doing their thing, man. So, you know, definitely grab you a pair of these Essential pants if you can come on and get that crack. Next, we got, you know, a couple of boxes. Definitely haven't opened these yet, man, but, you know, we're gonna go ahead and get into that. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Essence, man, package from Essence. Oh, and I did get those nightline Fear of God joints from St. Alfred, man. Shout out to St. Alfred. You know, anytime I can shop with the home team, Chicago, I definitely try to do that, man. And so, you know, got a couple of pieces from them today. Hence, you know, the St. Alfred drip, you know, hoodie that we got on today, man. But shout out to Essence for this packaging, though. You see how they carefully, you know, wrap this joint up? Tissue paper, man, really dope. Really, you know, they care about the package, really quality care. So I did get another Fear of God Essentials, you know, kind of piece. You know, they calling this the Rain Drum. That is a very unique color, you know, name for the color brown. But you know, to each his own, man. And your boy got the brown mock sweater, man. Yo, I'm a fan of turtlenecks. You know, back in the day, you know, black man, you know, definitely reign supreme in them joints. You know, we definitely, you know, trying to bring them things back. But we got the, you know, the kind of mock turtleneck steez going on, sweatshirt going on. And these things are absolutely fire. Again, perfect for the layering. Definitely, you know, gonna go well with the pants. You know what I'm saying? As you can kind of see, you know, over to the side, we definitely getting the fit off in this joint. You know what I'm saying? But you know, this thing definitely keeps you warm. I do got the black one. And, you know, can really dress this up or dress this down with a lot of different, you know, kind of directions in terms of the fit, as far as the fit is concerned, man. Dope piece. You know, I think this got retail for like $85 on Essence, you know, as well, man. Shout out to them. Dope piece. Last but not least, we were able to snag another package from my homeboys at St. Alfred. As you can see, St. Alfred, man, it is boutique in Chicago. Don't sleep on it. One of my favorite spots, man. I shouldn't even be giving y'all this sauce because you know we need all the pairs for the gig. But I was able to snag those Beeline, you know, BBC Timberland collabs, man. That just came out. It is cold. The colder months are here. And it's time to, you know, be out here in these boots, retire the sneakers, and have the boots out here ready to go, man. So I saw this pair, and I definitely, you know, had to go with it. You see that cross branding kind of paper that they got in there, and bam. You know, we got these joints in there. Both boots look the same, so I'll just show you one of these guys. But, you know, man, we got that, you know, rubber orange, the orange colorway. They came out with like 5 different colorways of these joints. I'll put a picture somewhere up in here, but you know, that orange toe cap, man, this is like real deal rubber, man. So when it starts snowing and you get all of that, you know, going on, these things are definitely gonna stand the test of time. You know, it's crazy because right now there's a shortage in Timberlands right now, man. Check your local Foot Lockers, man. A lot of stores don't have any sizes in Timberlands, man. And so, you know, that might have something to do with the pandemic and the coronavirus. So, you know, if you see a dope pair of Timberlands out there that you really like, make sure you go ahead and grab those things, man. But, you know, I'm fucking with the orange. Definitely love the orange. You got that, you know, BBC, you know, Beeline hit right there. Really, you know, the 2 extra sets of laces in the orange, and then this blue on orange. And these are 3M, I believe, too, as well. Crow branding on the tongue, man. just a really solid shoe, man. You know, and I'm rocking with them. You know, definitely they look kind of bulky online, but definitely in person, you know, nice and smooth, and these definitely gonna get the job done. So if you were wondering how these joints look, I definitely put these on feet for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go ahead and grab a pair of these. I might have to double back and get that yellow pair myself. You know what I'm saying? But that's the clothing haul, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these kinds of videos, man. How y'all feel about what I picked up. Again, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for stopping by. You know what I'm saying? Been another episode of FGTV. Wanted to bring y'all something a little different. You know what I'm saying? You already know the vibes. Like, comment, subscribe. Again, you know the vibes as we proceed to give you what you need. It's been another episode of FGTV, man. Clothing haul. We Gucci, we good out here. And we out. Peace.
This Chicago.